One of the other important factors that goes into choosing the right hair system for you is knowing what type of hairstyle that you're gonna go for. Now, you don't need to know exactly, but what you do need to know is, are you going to expose the hairline or are you going to cover it? Right now, I kind of have a forward pushed hairstyle right now, which means that my hairline isn't really exposed. I don't need to have the perfectly indistinguishable hairline. So what that means is that I don't have to go with a type of hair system base that's gonna give me that very, very believable look at the front hairline that you might get from a Swiss lace or from a very, very thin poly thin skin unit. Now that's something that you need to know walking into it so that way you can get the best result possible. If you do want that very believable look, you're going to have to go with the thin skin poly or the Swiss lace. French lace will still be pretty good, but no, it's not gonna be as good as the Swiss or very fine polyurethane base, like a 0.02 thin skin. So that's very important for you to consider.